When I first came to this garden, I couldn't help but feel like I was interrupting. And I was actually about right. They're halfway through setting up for their garden party. It's taken right out of the novel of one of New Zealand's most iconic writers.
Welcome to the Katherine Mansfield Garden, one of the many enchanting gardens that we have here at Hamilton Gardens. Katherine Mansfield was one of those literary giants, a real standout for New Zealand, who wrote some incredible short stories, The Garden Party being one of them. She grew up in Wellington and observed people intensely. Through these observations, she was able to put that to use and write some classic, emotional, deep-thoughted stories.
And The Garden Party was one of her most famous stories, is that right?
And that's right. The story follows the Sheridan family, a wealthy family in Wellington, as they prepare for a lavish garden party. On one side of the fence, we have celebration. However, on the other, there's a tragedy.
Right, and you've taken a snapshot of that time in that novel and brought it to life here in the garden.
Exactly that.
And this is the party itself.
That's right, and in the story, the marquee goes up early in the morning. The baker's boy delivers legendary Godbr's cream puffs here.
And I can't eat a single one of these right now.
The whole of this is totally made out of a combination with concrete and resin, as is the instruments over there, including the piano and the score sheets.
This seat feels quite personal.
It is. It honours Catherine's brother, Leslie, who died in the First World War. That loss shaped much of her most powerful writing. Along with the attention to detail with the building, using a combination of perennials, trees and shrubs. And we've even gone to the bother of getting a cutting from one of the roses from the Mansfield Garden in Thorndon, Wellington.
Really? The attention to detail is just incredible, isn't it?
It's fantastic, replicated so well.
So it's a lot more than just a garden, really, isn't it? It's a sort of snapshot or insight into our social culture in very early New Zealand as well.
And that's absolutely right. This is just one of the many wondrous spaces, gardens we've got here at Hamilton Gardens. Walking around, you will find so many other hidden gems.